The instrument of accession was a legal document signed by rulers of princely states in British India, allowing them to accede to either India or Pakistan after the partition of 1947. Maharaja Hari Singh, the ruler of Jammu and Kashmir, signed the instrument of accession on October 26, 1947, joining India. This document legally formalized Jammu and Kashmir's accession to the dominion of India, primarily granting India the authority over defense, external affairs, and communications. Key points. 1. Legal basis. The instrument of accession was a legal document used after the partition of British India, allowing princely states to choose their future. 2. Jammu and Kashmir's accession. Maharaja Hari Singh of Jammu and Kashmir signed the instrument of accession on October 26, 1947, formally joining India. 3. Limited powers. The instrument of accession granted India power over defense, external affairs, and communications in Jammu and Kashmir. 4. Negotiations. The terms of the instrument of accession were negotiated between the Maharaja and the Indian government. 5. Context of accession. Maharaja Hari Singh considered the wishes of his subjects, many of whom preferred accession to India, especially given the invasion by tribal forces. And 6. India's position. India was perceived as a secular, democratic state, which appealed to the Maharaja and his vision of governance.